Hi guys, this is Farz and welcome back to Farzzology, and I am here with another new POV video after a very long time. And we did this photoshoot around 4 months ago and finally I am publishing it. So no more talking, let's enjoy clicking. So Ela was helping me in this photoshoot and it was a really hot sunny day, and the time was around 11 AM to 12 PM, and you can see the light was so harsh and I don't like harsh light, so it was a challenge for me. I was not comfortable before with the harsh sunlight, but at the end the result was perfect. I was very happy. It was a great session and learning curve for me. We tried different location of Dhanmondi lake and I tried to use the sunlight on the subject, and I wanted to make the background little bit darker, so the subject and background looks very distinct. You can see most of the time I used the higher shutter speed, and I used always aperture 1.4 and ISO as low as possible, 100 to 125, that's it. Here you can see the face was directed towards the sun and I want to make the background little bit darker.
You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
You can see I'm using a higher shutter speed of more than 1000 here. In this photoshoot, I am using Sony A7C with Sigma 85 1.4 lens. Then we move to our next location here, and I wanted to use those lines of the breeze here, and you can see at first I want to select my frame, and at first I wanted to use this side, but that was not a good decision. I think the sun was really harsh on this side. She couldn't open her eyes actually properly in this side. You can see the picture. Look at this. The sun was really harsh. But still, we tried. And then we moved to the other side, and that was really perfect. I got some very good friends there. And I love this one very much. This frame looks just perfect. The lighting was perfect here. Here we tried some sitting pose, and the sunlight was falling on her. So again I tried to use the higher shutter speed to make the background little bit darker.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, I don't wanna jinx it, baby.
I think before this photo shoot I never tried to take some photos in this type of light. The sunlight was really harsh on that day.
Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just me.
I've uploaded all these photos on my Facebook page. You can search on Facebook Farzzology, Farzzolozy, and watch all the pictures there and show your love. This was our next location. I told her to sit there, and it was little risky, but we took that risk and the result was good.
You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
So that's it. I hope this video will help you to think more about photography, and if you want more photography and editing tutorials videos, just make sure you have subscribed me and don't forget to like and comment.